Welcome to today's presentation on mastering HTML formatting and SEO for effective copywriting. In this session, we'll explore how HTML works and its importance in formatting web content, as well as delve into the realm of SEO and how it can elevate your copywriting game. HTML is a markup language that guides browsers on how to display content on the internet. It serves as the foundation for web-based files. HTML uses tags enclosed in brackets to structure content. For instance, the tag makes text bold, while the tag italicizes content. You can write HTML using a code editor or a user-friendly WYSIWYG editor, making it accessible for both beginners and experts. Remember, always close HTML tags properly to avoid confusion and enhance readability. Now that we've grasped the essentials of HTML, let's shift our focus to another crucial aspect: SEO copywriting. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a vital tool in the digital landscape. It involves techniques to enhance your content's visibility on search engines. SEO-savvy copywriters understand the significance of key phrases and keywords. These elements boost the discoverability of your content across long and short copies. Optimizing your content for search engines is like a map for users to find your website. Neglecting SEO can lead to missed opportunities. Use text formatting and metadata tags to organize your content effectively and convey its importance to search engines. Craft compelling meta descriptions to entice users on search engine results pages. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the powerful synergy between HTML formatting and SEO copywriting. In closing, remember that mastering HTML and SEO doesn't require expertise overnight. Practice, learn, and apply these skills gradually to become a proficient copywriter and programmer. Start your journey today. Embrace the world of HTML formatting and SEO copywriting to create impactful content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening presentation. We hope you're now better equipped to navigate the realms of HTML and SEO for successful copywriting. In conclusion, mastering HTML formatting and SEO for copywriting is a powerful combination that enhances content visibility, user experience, and search engine rankings. This skill set is crucial for navigating the digital landscape and creating impactful, audience-focused content.